Hello and welcome to Oxenholme Station. I'm on my way to the Photography and Video Show 2021. Let's go! Wow, what a palaver. I'm just coming to NEC. Got to do a COVID test. Started doing it. I was like, why do I need to do this? I'm already double vaccinated. Anyway, you get a band, and now I've got to do my 10-minute walk and find the toilets. So here I am at the photography show entrance. Let's gonna check out what's on offer today at the photography show, September the 21st. Well, what a palaver trying to get in, scanning that barcode. Had a ticket, wouldn't let me in, had to go back for a barcode badge. Right, anyway, here we are at the entrance to the photography show 2021. Let's go and check it out.
On your angle slider, and you can make it work in finer adjustments as well, because that's quite like large increments.
Can you do? Is there a shortcut for auto leveling?
Yes, yeah. So anything that's not automatically is for the application. It'll customise for the application. So if you open Photoshop, it knows you're in Photoshop. You don't have to go in here and change everything again. It will always save the profile for Lightroom.
Save final cut.
Very similar.
So here, for example, my first workspace and I browse through my images, giving ratings
Okay, so Nigel Danson and Stuart McGlennon suggest case filters. So I'm going to have a chat with them now and see if I can get a case filter for my 16 to 35 GM, and because it's something that I think I really need when I'm out doing landscapes in the Lake District. So I was going to have a chat to them. Okay, so I've just bought the magnetic case filters, so hopefully they will be good for my 16 to 35 Sony. Let's see what else we can see here at the Photography Show 2021. Going round in circles. I'm going round in circles. Just telling the guy I'm going round in circles. I keep seeing this Canon stand. I'm not going to Canon because I'm a Sony guy, not a Canon guy, not a Nikon guy, a Sony guy. So I'm going to Wex now. Wix? I'm not going to Wix. I'm going to Wex now to see if there's a Bluetooth controller for this A7C. I've just been to the Sony stand and had a look at the A1. had to put it down because it was £6,500 and it was just beautiful. I haven't got £6,500. So yeah, some more scouring and then a bit of lunch. Okay, I've just got to Wex and I've bought a grip for the A7C, and this kind young gentleman has sold it to me. So thank you very much, Wex. Some of them are just flattened and some of them are matte laminate. Yeah. Really gorgeous. And how much do these books retail at?
Something like this. So this comes within a 3-in-1 box. I don't know where the box has gone at the moment, but it comes with a USB, sort of like this.
Yeah.
But this is a folio box. So it comes with separate prints and with a USB. So something like this is about £105. That's without any discount.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
That's reasonable.
Yeah. And today we're doing a 75% off any sample and any wheel art. And it's valid till the end of October, so you have a bit of time to have a look through the website. So it's sort of like little gifts that you can give to your family. You can change the colour, you can change the art on the front. It opens up.
Oh wow!
Double-sided.
Wow!
And they're magnetic as well, so you could put them on the fridge if you wanted. Like I said, double-sided prints. And these, with a box, they're going to be £10, which is fairly pricey.
Wow, that is really nice.
And you can put your own design on the front. It doesn't have to come with a box.
Guys, that is a really good price.
Yeah.
A really good price. Check out Enphoto, and I've not even looked at the website yet, but impressed already. Great find at the show 2021. Going past Canon, don't look left, don't look right, keep on walking. I'm getting hungry now. Oh, amateur photographer. Oh, where are they? Oh, there. I'm gonna have a chat with them. Bye.